1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10 what? 11, and then 12, 13, 14, good. 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18. Yeah, you like that? It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow? Yay! Good job, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna start cutting the potato. You wanna cut the potato now? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, let's start cutting the potato. Okay, Samir.
How do you make a potato?
Okay, so let's see. Let's put this away. And we're gonna start cutting potatoes. Okay. No, we're not gonna touch that one. Okay, ready? Potato. So we have one potato here. One. Samir's potato. And we got 2. We got a potato. And then Wilder's potato. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cut it. This is one potato, right? One potato. So we're gonna cut the potato in half, okay? Wilder's, you're gonna try. You wanna try, Samir? You wanna try cutting the potato? Yeah, you try to cut the potato, okay? And I'm gonna cut this potato. I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, so if I cut the potato in half, see? If I cut potato in half, how many I have? This is 1. And then if it's in half, that's what? 1, 2. 2 potatoes. Yeah? 2 potatoes. 1, 2. 2 potatoes.
Water can't do.
Okay.
Water can't do because he's the one.
And I'm going to cut this potato in another half.
But how little?
Right?
He can't. He maybe
How many do I
can't
have
do
now? 1, 2, 3. Right, Wilder? 3. You see that, Kazu? 1, 2, 3. 3 potatoes, right?
Cut it twice and she got 3.
See? And then I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this potato too.
The potato.
Another half. And how many do we have? 1, 2, 3,
Wow.
4. 4 potatoes. Oh, 4 potatoes makes 1 big potato, right? Okay.
Why they have a mess?
Okay. We got 1 potato.
Everyone's sick.
How many Wilder do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces, right? So if I take 2 of these pieces, how many is this now? 1. How many pieces?
I think it's a different one.
Yeah, it's a done.
Can you guys need help to cut your potato?
Where's Daddy?
Daddy is downstairs doing
You
work.
need help? Okay, so you need to hold your potato like this.
For Daddy.
You have to do that. You see? Okay, you try. Cut your potato in half to make 2 pieces.
How 2 pieces?
Okay? See? Go ahead, Samira, you should try.
How long is it?
I think it's only 15.
Cut the potato, okay?
Oh. How long the potato for?
I think it's only for 15 minutes.
Okay, cut the potato.
We'll see what Teacher Sandra does.
You need help? Okay, so we have 1 potato. And then you keep going like this. What you can do is you can pull it apart, okay? Let's try that again. Okay? Good.
Mama.
Okay, now pull it apart. Go ahead.
Oh, baby.
How many pieces do you have now?
Oh, you did it!
You did it. How many you have? 1? What's that? How many pieces do you have?
Poochie.
2. 2 pieces. Good job. You want to make another piece? Okay. So let's do 2 pieces now. Cut this one in half. You put it down and cut it in half. Oh no eating. Yucky.
Why is it yucky?
Because it's not supposed to be.
Okay. So that's. You want to cut it again? Let's cut it again.
Why are you gonna? You have to cook it.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste good, right, Samir? No, yucky. No. Oh, but you know what? Here, Samir, I have an apple. You want to cut an apple? You can cut an apple, okay? So this one apple. So if we cut it in half, what's going to happen? Cut it in half, and then what's going to happen? It becomes what? See this one apple? Okay, now I cut the apple, what's going to happen? It becomes what?
2 pieces.
Right, 2 pieces of apple. Very good, Kazu. So 1, 2. Did somebody else join? An apple, okay? And then if you take these 2 pieces and you cut them in half, what's going to happen? How many do you think?
3.
Nope, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 4 pieces, right? You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I forgot that.
Okay. Yeah, but apple, that's for later, okay? That's for later.
Did you go
Okay. And then we have these two, these 2. And if I cut them in half, what's going to happen?
Here,
If I cut these 2 in half, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? You see that? Remember I had 2 pieces? And if I cut them in half, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. You see that? 4 pieces of potatoes. We have to cut them smaller because we're going to make them for lunch, for Wilder's lunch. Okay? So if we
How about Benaya's lunch?
is Benaya here too? I can't see. Oh, I see. That's Teacher Angela. And I think there's somebody else, but I can't tell. It's too bright outside. Okay, so we have. So what? Remember last time I said we're going to take 2 pieces?
You can see me, right?
I can see you, Kazu. I can hear your voice. So if I take 2 pieces, Kazu, and I cut in half, how many pieces would I get? Uh-oh.
4 pieces.
4? That's right. See? I cut 2 pieces, and it became 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. 4 pieces of potato. You need help? Okay, I'm going to help you.
How about that?
This one? Cut in half?
Mostly you don't end up with odd numbers.
Why?
Okay, cut in half.
Why?
Well, I guess you can end up with an odd number, but
Okay, cut in
like
half.
right now that's 3 pieces. See, you cut
Okay.
3 pieces.
See? So it's
Oh, but that's not a nice that way.
2, 3.
See, these are something else.
3.
Why are you doing that?
This one too?
Longer.
So we're going to cut this one, and we're going to cut this in half. And how many is it? Wilder, how many? How many pieces now?
Maybe Wilder can do it.
How many pieces I have now?
Or he has
1, 2. This is from here.
Translate to
1. Wilder. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to have 6? Let's do 6. 1, 2, 3,
How Chloe?
4,
always thought there
5,
is this. See,
6. You want to cut an apple now? Let's count how many potatoes first, and we'll go on to the apples, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
we need many pieces.
and then 12, 13, and 14. Yay! You got 14 pieces. Okay, now we're going to do the apples. We got 14 pieces. Is that enough for your lunch? Yeah, I think so. That's a lot of potatoes for you. Okay, so we're going to put this to the side.
How everyone tell it to
Now
me
we're gonna put an apple.
Benaya's one.
Look at an apple. How many apples?
Here and only
One
Samir
apple.
Wild right there.
You're going to eat it? One apple.
Everyone,
Okay?
Everyone's
One apple.
Anyways.
One apple.
are we sick?
No.
And then one
because-
apple.
Because
Listen. Shh.
Okay,
One
one apple, right?
2 apples?
Okay, one apple, right? We're going to cut it in half. And how many pieces? 2. That's right. 1, 2. So if I cut this one in half, how many? 1, 2, 3. Yes, you can eat it, but how many pieces? 1, 2, 3. Here, Wilder, 3. 3 apples. You want more? You want more apples? How many apples would you like? You want pink? What? How many would you like? You want another one? You want how many? What? 1, 2, 3. How many would you like? How many apple pieces would you like? 1, 2. How many? You want to cut in half? No, no, no. How many? 1, 2, 3. You want 4? You want 4? Okay, so you need 4. You need to cut this in half. Apple. Okay. So how many do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples, right? So if I take 1 apple away, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3. Do you want to share with Samir? Yeah, how many would you like to share with him if you want to make it equal? How many to share? 1 or 2? You want to give him 1 or 2? You want 1 apple? You want to give him another apple? You want to give him 2? How many would you like to give him? You want to give him this one? Then you have no apple. Would you like to have an apple? Okay, so how many apples pieces should he go? Would you go there? Samir, how many? 1? 1? You want 2, right? Like this or like this? But how about him? He only Samir only has 1 apple. So you need to take 1 apple and put it here, right? What do you think? You want to do yourself in there? For all of it? Then what about Samir? Samir has no apples. Samir has no apples. Would you like to give Samir an apple? Which one? Okay, how many? 1. Okay, Samir, this is Samir's plate. And how about this one? You want to give him another one? Because you have 1, 2, 3. And then he only has 1 apple. How many want to give him? To make it same. You want that one? And then put it here. Say thank you. So that's right. So that's all right. You have 1, 2. And then Samir has 1, 2. Oh, no, we're not going to eat it. We're going to eat it at lunchtime, okay? Good job. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, Kazu.
Good job.